Alright guys, gonna run a Larry Bird auto, number to 50 for Mike Phillips. 10 spots, $7 a spot, or 2 for 13. Copy our list. We're gonna be live at 11:01 a.m. Ten entries, 2 dice, 5 or higher, 11 times. Starting at 11:01. Good luck. Actually 11:02 when we start. Seth after 2, Rob after 3, Rasmus after 4, Rasmus after 5, Mark after 6, Seth after 7, Seth after 8, Seth after 9, Mark after 10, Seth on the bottom. Dice rolls on 11. Still 11:02. Here's the one that counts. Good luck. Seth, congratulations. Spot 2. We are done at 11:02.